Okay. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaya. If any that are new and viewing, I am installing this bomb wig today from Motown Tress. Ebonyline was kind enough to send it over for me to try for y'all, so let's get into it. Okay, you guys, here is the finished look. Let me move this mirror. So I want y'all to get every aspect of this unit because it is literally so bomb. So bomb. It's so soft. I love the wave curls. You know, it's kind of like a loose curl pattern here. I went with the middle part because the middle part is giving. It is giving natural. It looks so good. I didn't do any baby hairs. And on top of that, y'all, glueless. Hello, we love a good glueless wig, and it feels so secure. It has an adjustable elastic band so you can make it tighter, make it loose. It's big head friendly, no shedding, no tangling. The color is beautiful, by the way. I got F1B30. Not one bad word to say about this wig, not one. I love it. So you best believe I will be getting a backup in this unit because it's just one of those wigs that you got to have a few of in your closet, you know. So once this one wears out and it's time to rotate and get a new one, I'll have it in the backup, okay? So that is definitely one of those wigs that I will be purchasing to get an extra. But y'all look at that. It's like those waves are so pretty. The curls. It has some layers in it. I love the color also. It's it. 10 out of 10 wig for sure. So if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out Ebonyline's website. I'll put the link in my description bar below so you can get this exact wig. I highly recommend getting the F1B30 because getting that little 1B with a little bit of brown hint tone to it is literally icing on the cake. It is super duper cute. So thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. Let me know how you feel about this wig. Let me know if you're going to try it as well. Like I said, the link is going to be in my description bar below. Thank you to Ebonyline for sending this over. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.